We are cutting out and recalking all the windows and control joints and joints up against the stone. We're replacing all the sealants. We're water sealing the brick, just giving the building more life, waterproofing it. There's different phases, like the windows, we cut all the old caulk out and then we replace it with new caulk. And then before we water seal the brick or coat the stone, we'll pressure wash the entire building, get all the foreign substances off, and then we'll water seal it, and then we'll do the tough coat. Depending on the building, this building in particular, probably about a month and a half to 2 months, depends on weather. And it's almost like painting a house. I mean, the whole building will shine. With the product that we're using on this building in particular, we're going to add 10 to 15 years, if not 20 years of life, to where they don't have to worry about water problems. It'll look like a brand new building. It'll be shiny, clean. It'll look brand new when it's done.